Alright, it's part 2 of the trailer build. So, I got my side pieces on, flip my ply over, and I've cut my piece for the front, my piece for the back. Move this down so you can see. I've got my piece put in there. Okay. I went on the side, 3/8 in, 3/4 down. That puts me right in the center of this piece. Did that on each side. Make sure it's flush here. Make sure it's flush with the end piece here and the ply. Then I'll clamp it. Check my flushness again. Make sure it didn't move. Same thing for the other side. Then I'll drill it. Go to the other side and drill it. Making sure it's still flush. Countersink on the other side. Sinking it in there, making sure I don't split my wood. There we go. And then I will continue down the length of it, installing my cross members. Now, one tip I'll give you when you're cutting, I'm using a handsaw, and I measured my line for the width, and I got a square. And what I like to do is I'll put the square right up to the line, and then I'll just take my saw and I'll cut right across there. And that will just make me a nice straight cut. Nice tight fit right here in the end. Nice and tight. And that's how you want it. You don't want it to push the pieces out. You want it to be nice and tight. The reason I'm using hand tools like a handsaw is because I'm no longer like an employed carpenter. Like, I don't go around building things for people anymore. I used to have, chop saws, table saws, compressors, nail guns, you name it, for woodworking. I just about had everything. I had enough to, build decks and outbuildings, but over here there's no power in my shop, none. So I just make do with what I have. Hand sawing ain't that bad. It ain't that hard. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and cut off the rest of my cross members. I'm going to put them all in, and then we'll flip it, and we will do our layout lines, drill to hit the cross members with a couple screws from the top side. So I'm going to end this video here so that I can get back to work, get this finished up, and then we'll make another short video.